Alright, let's get to it. It's your boy the Canologist. Let us do best time to buy and sell stock. Leetcode. You're given an array of prices. You're given an array of prices, but prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. Okay. So the ith day, so whatever this is the number of days. And then this is the price of the stock on that day. Okay. It's 3, 6. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Okay. So I buy on day 2, sell on day 5. Note that buying on day 2 and selling on day 1 is not allowed, because you must buy before you sell. Okay. So length is going to be 1. Prices dot length. 1 and 10 to the 5. Prices is between 1 and 10 to the 4. 0 and 10 to the 4. Okay. So if you can't find profit, return 0. So that's like a base case. I always look for these base cases that I can at least get some sort of a result from. See, look, case 2. Right, you can't get any profit because it's a reversed array. So you get 0 output. There's no profit to be made. Choosing a single day to buy one stock, choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Well, to me, this is just a embedded for loop. You could also do what's it called? You could also do, wait, is there a constraint here? There's no constraint to like improve on the time complexity, so I'm just gonna solve it the easiest way I can. So for I, I'm going to set my profit to 0. The return profit. Now for I in range, 0 to length of prices. All I'm going to do is go I for J, range 1, 2, blend prices -1, so that's 2 less than the index of the array, then 1 less than the index of the array, because this is going to go up to the end. prices. So then I'm going to go for I. Initial buy equals prices at I, J, no, I'm going to go potential profit. Because there's a chance it could be 0. So potential profit equals 0. So for now, I'm going to go potential profit compared to the max and keep swapping it out till I get to the end. So potential profit, I'm going to go, and then profit. Let's call it real profit. Real profit, and then let's return the real profit versus the potential profit. So we do that. Is the max comparison between real profit, what it is currently, and potential profit is do I even need this? I don't even need this. Purchase minus sale. So basically I go get my purchase. So with this, then it's going to keep looking at every item after it. And if that subtraction is greater than what's already in real profit, then you get the max. And then we return that at the end. So let's do that. Let's run it. It's a fancy way of doing a double for loop. Wrong answer. Why is it the wrong answer? 6.5, expected 5. I'm just curious. Output is 6, expected 5. Purchase minus the sale. Or it'd be sale minus purchase. Oh, would it be max? It would be max. What would it be? Sounds about you're gonna array price of the ith day. You're gonna maximize the profit of a single day to buy one stock, okay? Which is a different day to sell that stock. Oh, so it's purchase minus sale. So this would be sale minus purchase. Because that's what your profit range is. Let's try that. Okay, now it's starting to work. Output 5, expected 0. Output 5, expected 5. Or if I get rid of these and I go you would get negatives in every case, so I don't know how. For example, if I had prices J, which is 6, that's I 7. Yeah, if it's a decreasing array, I don't get how it wouldn't. Real profit would be 0. Let's look at the max function in Python. Try it yourself. Okay, so let's go 0, -10. Should be 0 as the output. Okay, so that is basically what I'm trying to do here. If I do that. What if I go if prices j is greater than prices I? I add an extra condition, that's my assumption, then we get it. That should return a 0. What is it returning now? 3? How's it returning fucking 3? Where else is it returning stuff? 4 minus 7, 7 minus 4. Oh, what if I go minus j minus 1? J is basically I plus 1. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong here. Let's plug it into ChatGPT. Maybe there's something I'm missing. And then instructions. Let's figure out what is missing from this solution. If not, prices are lend. Oh, what if it's not to do with this so much, but the real profit? So if prices if lend prices is less than or equal to 1, try that. Because if it's equal to 1, there's no profit. Well, there's no case where you can't have prices. You'll always have at least one. So if you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So if lend prices equals 1, return 0. Let me take this, add it back here. What am I doing? 0 to length 1. Loop starts with index 1. But each subsequent day. Okay. So what am I doing wrong here? Max profit is 0. If this equals 1, return 0. Okay. Max profit was 0. What do I have? Real profit equals 0. Okay, cool. Min prices. So what this does is, if prices I, you do one pass, is less than the min price, you make the min price this. Else, oh, okay, so you make the min price is I. If it's less, okay. And if it's not less, then you take the max profit, which is 0, and you check price as I minus the min price. Okay, so you're just doing this with one for loop is what they're trying to do, which makes sense. You get a single pass at O of n time. I just don't get make inner loop should start from I plus 1. Okay, that's pretty much it. I plus 1 instead of what is it at now? 1. So if it's 0, and then it's 1, And it goes 2, 3, 4. So this should fix my solution according to that. Okay, that fixed it. Then I can submit it. It might be a slower solution, but it gets the job done. Does it not? Time limit exceeded. Okay, so I have to do it within O(n) time. So I have to recreate this effect with it at the same time getting a minimum price. So a real profit, so the ChatGPT method is to get it in one pass. So min price equals prices 0. This is the placeholder, so basically I get rid of this base case here because it starts at 0 and my min price is based off that. Now I can shift tab, this for loop, bring it down. So basically what's happening now is I have the min price. If, let's make this I again. Let's make this 0. Or let's make this 1. Because now we already have the first element as the min price. So we only care about the second element onwards. Alright, so at minimum this has to be thing, and then len prices. Did it go -1? Yeah, len price is -1. So basically what happens here is if prices at I is less than the current minimum price, then min price equals prices I. And then real profit is equal to this profit prices I minus J, or prices I minus the min price. Prices J minus prices I. Prices J minus prices I. So we get the min price right here, so price minus min price. Price is I minus price. Let's run it. So basically it does one pass, finds out the minimum price, and then whatever price is less. So if min price is now what's it called? Less the prices I. Then you just return it. So else. Okay, so you don't want it to be the same. So if you already have it, you go else, so it doesn't activate it on the same. So right now I just ran it, but I didn't. If you don't have this else statement, you're gonna run. You could end up running it on the exact same index. So that prevents you from doing that. So that way, you either get the min price, then it goes to the next day, then you can compare the real profit, and then you can return the real profit. So let's run that again. This is to make sure there's no conflict, and then you can do it. Wrong answer. $159 out of 202, 212. Price is I. Then price is 1. Real profit is the item, the current item, minus the minimum price. Return. Submit. And it's accepted. So it goes from 1 to the end. So that's probably why, because we probably missed an element in the other one, because we're going -1. This one, we go item and thing. So for example, if you have only a length of 1, right? There's nothing after it, you automatically lose money because there's nothing to resell it for. So if it's that, return 0, no profit. If it's more than 1, then we have to keep track of our profits. We have to keep track. We can start by keeping track of our minimum price, which is going to be the first element. So anything after that first element, basically in this array, the prices array, is going to be min price equals item. So it's going to be item, if the item's less than min price, then we swap it. So min price is now equal to that item. If not, then we check it against, is it the maximum amount of profit we can get? So real profit is item minus the min price. So item on this day minus the previous day. So if this day is bigger, then it takes the spot of real profit. And then you could submit it. So that is how you solve the question. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Please add your comments in the section below. And without further ado, I will head out. Keynologist out. Peace. Just a quick reminder, I do have other playlists. I have other Leetcode problems. We'll be doing a bunch more of these, so feel free to check those out. Peace.